want to believe that the equation we solved earlier before now on simultaneous equation with substitution approach is well understood. Now we want to look at elimination method, the second method of solving simultaneous equation. And in this elimination method is quite a different ball game to that of substitution. Okay. Now I want you to pay attention. For instance, if you have an equation like this, you can look at this. You see that we have 2 here, we have 2 here, and here we have 4 here, we have 4 here. So I want to explain something about elimination method. Elimination method, the essence of the approach you use to make equations solved through elimination method is, first of all, by eliminating one of the unknown. We have 2 unknowns in the equation. We have x, we have y. Now your approach is to eliminate one of them so that you can solve only for one. Okay, and the way you do that is either you add or you subtract the equation. Through that means you can do what? You can eliminate one side. Now if you look at this, we have plus here. So what we help to subtract, what rather will help to make one of the unknown to disappear is by doing what? By subtracting this equation and this from this equation from this equation. Okay, now if we do that, if you say minus this will give you 2x, and this minus this will cancel each other, and we have equal to this minus this will give you 8, and if you solve, x will now be equal to 4. Okay, then coming to this side, you can say add the equation. Why do you subtract here and you add here? Reason being that this one has positive, and if you add it together, you're going to have plus 4y here. But when you say minus, you're going to cancel out. It will automatically make this minus plus to be what? Minus. Thereby you can be able to what? Cancel off one of the unknown. But coming to this, you see that this already have 4 plus 4y, and this one is minus 4y. So on this, you only simply do what? You add. When you add together, you have this to this. You add this to this, you have 8x. Then you add this to this. Remember, plus 4 minus plus minus will still give you minus. So plus 4 minus 4y, plus 4y minus 4y will still will cancel each other. You have this plus this will give you what? Will give you 72. And when you solve it, you will find out that x will now give you what? 9. Are we together? Now we are going somewhere. A situation whereby you have an expression like 5x maybe plus 4y equal to 22, and 3x plus 5y equal to maybe 21, for instance. Okay, you find out that this even if you add or subtract, you cannot be able to eliminate excuse me, any of the unknown. Okay, in a situation like this, you employ a kind of techniques. What you do is, you first of all choose the one you want to eliminate, whether you want to eliminate x or you want to eliminate y. If you want to eliminate y, for instance, okay, what you do is you multiply the equation 1 with the coefficient of the y in the equation 2. Okay, the coefficient of y in the equation 2, you use it to multiply equation 1. Then the coefficient of y in equation 1, you use it to multiply equation 2. But if it's x you want to eliminate, you use the what? The coefficient of x in equation 1 to multiply equation 2. And you equally use the coefficient of x in equation 2 to multiply the what? Equation 1. So that way we'll make what? We'll make one of the variable or the unknown, the coefficient of one of the unknown to be what? To be the same. That way you can go ahead and what? And either add or subtract. So this is the approach we use. So quickly I'm going to give you an example on that so that you can understand it. So stay tuned. All right, welcome back. Solve by elimination method. Let's use that same expression or equation we have here before, simultaneous equation. So solution. Equation 1. Equation 2. Okay, now since we will see that none of the coefficients of these variables are the same, so what we do is we say multiply equation. Okay, first of all, which are we going for? let's determine, let's cancel off x. Okay, x, that's this one. Let's eliminate it. So when you want to eliminate it, you use the coefficient of the variables to what? To multiply each other. You interchange. Okay, equation, multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 5. Okay, this will give us 5x times 3 will give you 15x, and 4y plus 4y times 3 will give you plus 12y, equal to 3 times 22 will give you 66. Okay, now this is equation 3. Okay, now 5 times 3x will give you 15x. 5 times 5y will give you 25y, and that will give you equal to 5 times 21 will give us 105. 105. Okay, all right, now if you, okay, this is equation 4, sorry. If you look at this now, you see that 15, we have 15 here, we have 15 here. So what we do is what we're going to what? Subtract. We're going to subtract since they are positive. So we say subtract this minus this. Okay, that will cancel off this. We have 12 minus 12y minus 25y will give you minus that's minus 13y minus 13y equal to, now this minus this will give you this is 9, this, okay, 1 left here before for this, so we have 9 minus this is 3, so minus 39. Okay, now we say divide both sides by minus 13. Okay. Okay, so this we cancel itself. 13 we cancel itself 1. So we have y is equal to this we cancel here. This we cancel itself 1, cancel here 3. Okay, we have 3. So y is equal to 3. Okay, now we come to this side. We want to substitute for x. Okay, we want to solve for x and substitute y to be what? 3. Let's take any equation. And maybe we'll take equation 3. Equation 3 says, using equation 3, 15x plus 12y equal to 66. Okay, this is equation 3. Remember. Now, substitute for y equal to 3. Okay, and this equation. Okay, now from here we have 15x plus 12 in bracket 3 equal to 66. Okay, now we have 15x 12 times 3 will give us 36 plus 36 equal to 66. Now this we cross equality sign. We have 15x equal to 66 minus 36, and 15x is equal to this minus this one, this minus this 0, then this minus this is what, 30. So we have 30. Now with this we say divide both sides by 15. So with this we have 15x over 15 equal to 30 over 15. Therefore x is equal to, this cancel this, we are left with x equal to this one here 2. We have that x is equal to 2. Okay, so these are elimination methods. So you can use this to solve simultaneous equation. All right, now we are going to treat some other simultaneous equation that has a higher figure. Okay, so that in case if you meet any of them, you can be able to tackle it. We even have the one that has one quadratic equation and the other one linear equation. You know, when you see something like that, there are ways you can attack it. So after this is what we're going to give you. Okay, so stay tuned. Thank you.